Unearth the joy and discover the world of gardening. Have you ever eaten a homegrown vegetable and realized how much better it tastes than the store? I'm going to provide a few simple tips on learning to plan your garden, no matter what size, as long as we start. First, we need to assess and figure out, what is it that you like to eat? We don't want to grow food that we don't like to eat. So, do you enjoy salsas? Do you enjoy green beans, dilly beans, cucumbers, pickles, beets, radishes, lettuce, spinach? The list goes on and on. Point is, you're not going to want a whole garden full of peas if you don't like to eat your peas. Monitor the area, no matter how small, for hours of sunlight. Full sun is 6 hours at least of direct sunlight. Partial sun is about 4 to 6 hours direct sunlight. Partial shade is 2 to 4 hours direct sunlight. And shade is considered anything to have less than 2 hours of direct sunlight. Figure out how you will get water to your plants. Figure out how you will get water to your plants. You'll need to know whether you want to set up a drip irrigation system, take out a hose, or even just a watering can. Analyze your space. Do you only have room for containers? Great, that's how I started. How about, do you have room for raised beds? Or do you prefer to try in-ground gardens? You'll need to assess on what works for you and your space. Once you have your space set up, you'll need to figure out whether you want to buy seeds or plant starts. Understanding plant differences is very important when coming to plan your garden. Understanding the difference between a bush or determinate plant, which is a set growing size for that particular plant, and it usually doesn't get tall. It is great for containers or smaller supports. There's also pole, vining, interdeterminate plants, and these will need to grow either vertically up a trellis or very strong support, or it will want to sprawl and grow horizontally. So you will definitely need to have the space for that. So understanding that a pole or vining or interdeterminate size variety of a plant, you will need to make sure that it is properly and securely supported, because these types of plants tend to keep growing and growing and growing until it comes to the end of their life cycle. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Heather, and I'm a full-time 9-to-5er, single income household living in the suburbs. I am bringing my skills and knowledge from growing up in the country as a child and having to be mindful as a single parent as an adult.